Welcome to EasyJobs tutorials. Today we will learn how to configure social login settings for job applicants in EasyJobs. First, log into your EasyJobs dashboard. Then, navigate to the Settings menu. Next, go to Job Settings and open the Application Settings tab. Make sure the No Login Required option is turned off. Now toggle on social login options such as Google and LinkedIn to enable social login for job applicants. Once these options are enabled, candidates applying for an active job will be able to continue their application by signing in with Google or LinkedIn. Now let's see how an applicant applies for a job using social login. When an applicant decides to apply for a job, they can sign in using their preferred social profile. After logging in, the applicant simply completes the application form and submits it. And that's it. This is how easy it is to configure social login in EasyJobs, allowing job applicants to apply faster using Google or LinkedIn. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.